Hello and thank you for watching another Design R1 training video. In today's video we're going to show you an administrative tool that's part of the ACC admin pack called Role Customizer. This is a utility that is available to other ACT certified consultants and other strategic partners from Design R1 and should only be used with proper training. And I'd like to show you what it is we can do today that we think is pretty cool. I'm logged into the ACT demo database as Sarah Whiting. Sarah Whiting has been changed to be a manager within the database. As a manager, she has the ability to do several things such as back up the database as well as delete contacts. So you notice if I go to my contacts menu here at the top, I have the option to delete this contact. If I went to my file menu, I have the option to back up a database. Well, some of these options I can get rid of using ACT in the native manage user dialog, such as the ability to delete, but let's say I wanted to remove some of the other features, some of the other security roles, if you will. ACT doesn't let me do that. That's what our add-on is here to help you with. So I'm going to go ahead and close ACT. ACT needs to be closed in order for this to work properly. I'm going to open up my role customizer and I'm going to browse and select my database. I'm going to go ahead and open up my ACT demo database. Okay, you'll see now that it's selected the ACT 2011 demo database. I have the ability to assign a role. So one of the cool things we can do here, if I were to choose Betty Browser, you notice that her role is set to browse. If I wanted to change her to standard, I could do so outside of ACT, not having to worry about that. But what I really want to show you is this Customize Roles opportunity tab here. So when I click on Customize Roles, I can choose the manager role, and here's all the available permissions and all the enabled permissions. Notice that this person has the ability to back up the database. Well, let's say I want to remove that from my managers. I also want to remove the ability to delete contacts. So I'll scroll down here. I can take a look at delete my contacts as well as delete other users' contacts. I'm going to go ahead and click on close. Now watch what happens when I open up my ACT database. We'll log in as Sarah Whiting, who again is a manager, and you will quickly notice once ACT is opened here, when I go to my file menu, I no longer have the option to back up my database. The database option is now grayed out. If I go to a contact in my database that is not an actual user, I can go to my contacts menu. The option to delete has now been removed. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have any further questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment, give us a phone call, send us an email, please feel free to contact us via social media. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.